Are you looking for the best chainsaw chains in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best chainsaw chains that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the Oregon R56 AdvanceCut chainsaw chain. An easy-to-replace, firm, and durable chain, gives an excellent value for money, well-reviewed and recommended by thousands of customers worldwide for its unique design. The Oregon R56 AdvanceCut chainsaw chain perfectly fits the Milwaukee M18-16, and several more models, allowing the user to cut hardwood and firewood in a breeze with minimal kickback. The sharp blades are strong and can withstand good friction without losing control. Constant use affects the chain's blades, requiring more sharpening. However, sharpening the chain is easy, and it takes time before it gets dull with proper use. Alongside beneficial customer service and a competitive price, it is the best chainsaw chain on the market as of this day and our most recommended chain. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the SUNGATOR 16-inch chainsaw chain. SUNGATOR is a lesser-known brand of tools and equipment related to chainsaws, and it also makes various replacement chain models including the one we have mentioned here in this article. The SUNGATOR chainsaw chain is the cheapest option present in this article if you are considering a single pack, and even then, it is a great option for various chainsaw models. As per its name, it is compatible with various chainsaw brands. You can use it with Remington, Homelite, Greenworks, Echo, Poulan, and various other chainsaw models. This chainsaw replacement chain has a length of 16 inches along with a chain pitch size of 3/8 inch. As a result, it is a great low-profile chain option. This 56 drive link chain has a gauge rating of 0.050 inch that is quite common when compared with other options present in this article. The number 3rd position we have the AR Pro chainsaw chain. AR Pro is a popular brand that manufactures a wide range of products including tires and inner tubes, automotive parts, patio, pool and outdoor equipment, arts and crafts, and home and kitchen products. One of the main features of this chain is its wide compatibility. The chain features a universal fit design that makes it compatible with all 14-inch chainsaws including Craftsman, Oregon, Husqvarna, Homelite, and Echo. This 14-inch chain is made of carbon steel that helps you to achieve precision cutting. While many chains cause vibrations while cutting trees, you won't face that problem with this one. Even when you are cutting hardwood, you will only experience low vibrations. The carbon steel is chrome-plated and heat-treated not just to make them sharp but also strong and durable. The chain won't lose its sharpness for a long time and will produce smooth and clear cuts. On top of this, the chain comes with hardened rivets to bear the load. AR Pro's chain is designed for easy adjustments and repairs with little downtime. Next at number 4 we have the replacement Oregon chain. As you would expect by now, Oregon makes a lot of replacement chain options for chainsaw models by Oregon as well as other brands. And this one is mainly made for electric chainsaws instead of gas-powered ones. Oregon's 9056 chainsaw chain has a 16-inch chain length as per its name. And as mentioned earlier, it works with electric chainsaw-like options from DeWalt. Just like other chains for gas-powered chainsaws, this one also has a chain pitch of 3/8 inch. As for its gauge rating, it is a 0.043 inch gauge replacement chain. Since this chainsaw chain is made by Oregon, it offers a great build quality. The Lubral link tie straps keep the oil in all important places on the chain. As a result, your chain stays properly lubricated for offering a clean and sharp cut. You also get lesser vibrations from your chainsaw while using this chain for cutting trees. And finally at number 5th position we have the Greenworks 8-inch replacement pole saw chain. Greenworks makes a lot of electric power tools, including electric chainsaws. It even makes chain replacements for its chainsaws. It is the smallest option present in this article when compared with other chainsaw chains since it has a chain length of 8 inches. And it is a low-profile chain as it offers a very common chain pitch of 3/8 inch. As a result, you can easily use this chain with various 8-inch chainsaw options from Greenworks. It is compatible with Greenworks saw tool models 20192, 20302, 20,352, and 20,672. If you have any of these, you can use this chain without any issues. You also get a great build quality in this chain since Greenworks is a reputable brand of chainsaws and related accessories. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.